talking to the moon from Poshadali.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about bag that I recently just got. It's the Saint Laurent wallet chain, as you can see by the title, and I'm very excited for this bag. I've been saving for such a long time for it. I think this is my first like official luxury bag, my very first. I've been working so hard, saving so hard for this, so I think I just really deserve some pat on the shoulder. So let's just move forward and talk about the bag. Okay, so here it is. I'm very excited. This is actually really my first luxury bag, and we're gonna unbox it together. I still haven't unboxed it yet, so let's see what's in the bag. So what I can see right now, So what I can see right now, it comes with the, I think it's what they say is the authentic card. If I'm not wrong, it's the authentic card. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna grab it out for you guys to see. Oh, I'm very excited. Oh, so pretty. I'm so scary, guys. Like, this is actually my first luxury bag, so I have to be really careful about it. So as you can see, it comes like this, and it's these papers, and whatever these is. I think, if I'm not wrong, it has like 20 to 24 like card plates you can put in. I don't know what you name those, like card slot. Yeah, I think that's the name. And then it's about this big. This is the they have the smaller size, the YSL Monogram wallet chain, whatever. It's the wallet chain that they have a smaller size. This is the medium. So there's two sizes. This is the medium size. I don't think they have a large size. So yeah, I got it in silver hardware, as you can see. Okay, I finished unwrapping the bag and got, I think, mostly all the plastic and wraps out of it. But yeah, as you can see, I got the silver hardware. First, I really wanted the gold hardware, but they were sold out. So yeah, unfortunately, I was very excited to purchase the gold hardware, but it's still okay. I really want silver hardware either way, since I don't own any silver hardware bags, so this is going to be my first. I'm excited because it just looks so cute. Look at it. Look how cute it looks. Like, this is just such a cute bag. I mean, I think a lot of girls own these bags either way. They just super cute. Like, okay, I just have to give you guys a full body shot, but yeah, I am going to be very excited to use this bag. It's actually quite spacious for a wallet chain. It has like 20 to 24, like I said, like card slot or whatever, and then you can always wear this as like a shoulder bag. I'm not very sure how you do it, but if I'm not wrong, it's like this. Some people do it. Let's see. I think like this, you can make it like a tiny shoulder bag, like when you want to do it like a evening bag kind of look. I don't know, like whatever you want to wear it. But for me, I like it crossbody, but I also like it like this, you know, if I'm going on a date, like with my boyfriend. So this should be cute. But I'm going to give you guys a full body shot and how tall I am, so how you just have idea of like how it will look on you if you're trying to purchase a bag. And also I will definitely leave a link below, and then you guys can go check it out. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I got this bag on Essence, and they had like a tiny sale. they said like it's up to 50%, but it wasn't 50%. You know, whatever you can save, you can save. So just go check it out if they still have it. If not, I will leave the link below for the official website or a couple more websites that you can find it. Yeah, this is just such a cute bag, and I just going to obviously show you guys some shots that how it looks on me and how I usually will style it. Okay, if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, let me know how you guys think, what you guys think of this bag, and also let me know down below that if you guys are interested in watching more other kind of video, or you're interested in more kind of like me doing the bag review or unboxing, please let me know